This is a Minecraft tutorial on Xbox 360. The reason I created this tutorial is because when I was little, I had no idea what to do when I was first introduced to this game. When I asked help from my relatives, they had no idea or didn't feel like helping me. As you can see, there is a tutorial already, but it isn't very helpful. Once you click create, you will have choices. They are survival and creative. In creative, you can just build. The next choices are difficulty. In peaceful, you have no worries at all. In easy, normal, and hard, you have to worry about monsters in your food bar. I have already created a world for this video's purpose. When you spawn in, you will want to build a house that's 5 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. That way you can be prepared when the monsters spawn at night. After you build a tiny house, you want to create a crafting table. A crafting table is necessary if you want to survive in the game. And after you do create a crafting bench, you will want to craft a sword to defend yourself. After you create a sword, kill some sheep with the same wool color. Then create a bed. If you want a colored bed, you will need to dye the wool. You will also want to create a door to keep the monsters out. If you want to build something, you should always look at the bottom left to see if you have the needed materials. As you can see, we have our animals fenced over here. There are 2 things you can do to obtain wool from sheep. One, you can kill them, which will give you wool and mutton. The other way is using shears to shave sheep. Using shears will drop more wool and leave a naked sheep. You can craft shears at the crafting table or bench. With cows, there are 2 things to do. Milk them, which helps cure poison, or kill them, which drops leather and beef. Now chickens. They only lay eggs, which help create food and create baby chicks. Other than that, you can kill them for chicken and feathers. The feathers help create bows and a book and quill. Mining is needed to create better armor, weapons, and tools. To mine certain ores, you will need a certain type of pickaxe. For stone and coal, you will need a wooden pickaxe. Iron ore can be mined by a stone pickaxe or better. Emerald, gold, lapis lazuli, diamond, and redstone can be mined by an iron pickaxe or better, except emeralds cannot be mined by a golden pickaxe. With diamond, iron, gold, and leather, you can create armor. But only with diamond, iron, and gold can you create weapons. If you want to smelt iron and gold or cook anything, you will need to create a furnace. Smelting is necessary to get iron or gold ingot. For the furnace to work, you will need coal, wood, or charcoal. Now, once you create, trade, or find armor, you will press the Y button on your controller. Then go over to the piece of armor you want to equip and press Y. Well, that is all for this episode. Tune in until next time.